let me show you how you can create a file, a blog post, upload that file into your Hugo repository without needing to do anything. All you need to do is insert a single keyword. Let's do it. Hi, my name is Arshia Kahani, and today I'm going to show you how you can generate an entire blog post, create a markdown file out of it, and then put it in your code base inside your Hugo repository in GitHub. So as you can see here, we have a blog post with proper front matter. It has the title, description, image, keywords, all that good stuff in the front matter. It even has an array for FAQs. And then you have the blog itself after the front matter, which is a markdown file with proper H2s. The H2s and H3s are all SEO optimized. And we got ourselves a custom CTA for our own website. And yeah, so how did we do this? And what did I do to get this? So all I did was click on Run Flow and give it a single keyword. That is all I did. So I just pasted a keyword here and then pressed enter, and then that's it. This is what I got. I got a pull request for the blog post. Now, how does that happen? So as this flow is working, I'm going to explain how this happens. So here we entered the keyword. If we go to this prompt here, we can see that your task is to generate the perfect content brief for a blog post with focus on primary keywords. And then we have an input variable, which is our input, which is the keyword. And then, so basically what the first sequential task does is to create a content brief. So it goes through your website, it does research on the keyword that you gave it, and then it creates a brief on what the blog should look like. So it gives proper H2s, it says that what the main body should contain and what it should look like, what the main keywords should be, all that good stuff. So how many words it should be, how it should be written, what the tone is, so on and so forth. And then the second sequential task is responsible for actually generating the blog. So it accepts that blog brief, reads through it, and is like, okay, how can I construct a blog that is in accordance with the blog brief, and I should add more information to it so that it doesn't feel shallow or short. So that's what this sequential task is for. So it's connected to an AI agent, which is connected to Google and our own domain flowhunt.io, so that it can go through flowhunt.io and kind of tailor make that blog for us. Now, what does the third one do? The third one is connected to a GitHub MCP client. Now, this MCP client is able to get your repository, it lists your repository, it has access to all of your files. It can search through them, it can create new files, branches, pull requests, it can update existing pull requests and everything. So what is this guy's responsibility? So step 1, create or update a GitHub branch. So we said go to the GitHub repository, blah blah blah. Create a new branch named Flowhunt, add blog, or if that branch already exists, update it. So it creates, and then the second stage is to create or update the knowledge base file. So we said go to the folder this on our repository and create a new markdown file for this ticket, for example, for this keyword. It's able to create the keyword for us, create the file for us inside the newly created branch, and then after it's created, it's uploaded the blog that was generated in the previous stage into this file. It commits the changes in Git and then creates a brand new pull request for you. And that's about it. So I think it's still working. It should be still working. Never mind. There we go. We have our blog post here. And then this exact blog post is going to be in a pull request for us. And all we need to do is do our little review and then merge it into main. And there you go. You have yourself a brand new blog. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about our MCP clients or this flow, As always, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.